You know, I'm no therapist, but wildlife photography can be a relaxing way to spend a morning or afternoon. But the key is you got to slow down and you got to think and take in the experience and use all of your senses to find wildlife. Right now, I'm at the Anhinga Trail in Everglades National Park, and if I was to come in here and just blow through this area, I may not see anything. May see a couple of birds or the big stuff that's easy to see. But in this 200 or 300 yard stretch that I've walked in so far, I've moved slow, looked around, used my ears, used my eyes, used all my senses just to kind of look. And really what I'm watching for is movement. And when you see a little bit of movement, you can take your time, slow down, look in that spot, and more often than not, it's going to yield results. And so far, we photographed maybe 10 different species of animals in just this short walk in here. Most of them are hidden, but once you try to, again, take the time to find them and then move slow around them, and then find the best position to photograph and just wait on them. Teach yourself to relax, teach yourself to slow down, teach yourself to focus, and you'll be happy with the results that you get in the end.